The AT&T CL82209 DECT 6.0 Cordless phone system is a standout choice for anyone in need of reliable communication at home or in a small office. This model comes with two handsets, providing flexibility and convenience in various rooms. One of its notable features is the DECT 6.0 technology, which ensures clear sound quality and reduced interference from other devices. With an expandable design, you can add up to 12 handsets using just one phone jack, making it ideal for growing needs or larger spaces. The large, lighted display and keypad on the handsets are user-friendly, even in low-light conditions. This is complemented by a well-designed handset speakerphone, which is perfect for hands-free conversations. The system also includes a 50-name and number phone book directory, allowing you to easily store and access important contacts. Each handset operates on 4 included lithium-ion batteries, ensuring longevity and reliability. The dimensions of the handsets, 4.72 by 7.08 by 8.66 inches, make them compact enough to fit comfortably on any desk or table. In summary, the AT&T CL82209 offers excellent features and performance, from its expandable system to its easy-to-read display. If you're looking for a dependable and versatile cordless phone system, this model delivers with efficiency and style.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.